Are you dreaming to take your pharmacy career to Dubai? Well, let me take you through the entire process step by step. The very first thing is qualification. You must have a bachelor's of pharmacy or a doctor of pharmacy, which is essential. And your credentials must be verified through the Dataflow system. Next comes the licensing exam. To practice in Dubai, you must clear the Dubai Health Authority exam. And to do that, first you need to create a Sheryan account. After that, you have to submit your document. Then you will have to book your Prometric test. Passing this test is your golden ticket to practice in Dubai healthcare system. Once you pass your examination, now you have to get an employer who can sponsor your visa and work permit. And only then you will be able to register with Dubai Health Authority examination as a licensed pharmacist. And this license is valid for 1 year and easily renewable. Now let's talk about the working conditions for pharmacists in Dubai healthcare system. Pharmacists in Dubai can work in both shifts. They can choose whether they want to work in evening shifts or in the morning shifts. They also get weekend offs. At the same time, during Ramadan, the working hours are reduced. Now let's discuss about the most important point which everyone wants to know. How much a pharmacist can really earn in Dubai healthcare system. The salaries can be anywhere around 8,000 dirhams to 15,000 dirhams depending upon your job profile, your location and your experience of work. When we talk about perks, then this includes tax-free salary, housing allowance and paid leaves. What about the career growth? See, career growth is very strong. You can work in hospital pharmacy, retail pharmacy as a clinical pharmacist. Plus, experienced professional may also be eligible for golden visa, which means long-term residency. Now, if you're dreaming big and want to take some risk, you want to own your own pharmacy in Dubai, then you have to be ready to invest almost 500,000 dirhams. That means roughly 1.1 crore rupees. The ROI is super promising thanks to Dubai's booming healthcare system and its tax-free perks. So, whether you're aiming to work as a pharmacist or starting your own business, Dubai offers exciting opportunities for pharmacists. And the key to this is preparation. Preparation that comes with hard work, with the right guidance. If you want to know more how you can get started your pharmacy journey in Dubai, you can comment DHA in the comments and our team will try to reach out to you to help you resolve your queries and kickstart your pharmacy journey. Don't wait more. Comment now.